Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to create the gradebook and how to maintain the record of the monthly activities on your LMS. For that, first of all, you all are required to log into your Valim account, and after logging in, you can see the name of your courses on the left hand side. But right now I'm not teaching any course, so I cannot see it. I'll be going into the practice course, but you all are required to go into your respective courses. Clicking onto the course, again you will be getting a number of options on your left hand side. And among those options, you all are required to go in this grade option. Here you can see the multiple options like setup, scales, letters, import, export, etc. And you all are required to click onto this setup option because it will allow you to create the categories for scoring. Scrolling it down, I have already done it for English and I'll be doing it for another subject now. Here are two options. The first option is the grade item and the next option is the category. Category is basically the subject or the course that you are teaching, whereas the grade item are the activities that you have taken in that particular course or that particular subject. So first of all, I'll be adding the category and click on add category, and you can set the name of the course or the subject that you are teaching right now. I am making here mathematics. After clicking on mathematics, scrolling it down and saving changes. Now this is how the main category for my subject has been created, and I'll be adding the subcategories to it. For that, I'll be clicking onto the grade item again, and now I can add any activity that I've taken in this particular course or subject. So that can be the quiz, assignment, exam, etc. So I am making it quiz, and then I can add it the maximum grade as well. So I am giving the maximum marks to 30, and then make sure you are adding it to the parent category. The parent category is basically the course or the subject in which you have conducted this quiz. So I have added it to maths. Now here the parent category is mathematics and the subcategory is quiz. I'll be adding another grade item now, as it is the monthly exams are a must from Valim. So you all are required to create this category and enter the marks in this monthly exam so that the administration and the parents can keep an eye on the students' progress of a month. Naming it monthly exam, and then editing the maximum grade. So I am making it 70 and then adding it to the parent category, that is mathematics. Clicking on save changes. Scrolling it down. Now this is what my subject is, mathematics, and quiz and the monthly exam are the activities. After saving the changes, if I want to see how it will appear to the students, I have that option as well here. For that, I'll be clicking again this grade option that is on the left hand side panel, and then I'll be going on to this single view option because that will allow me to enter the marks of any particular student in those categories that I have created. So I'll be selecting the user. User is basically the student. So I have only one person registered or enrolled as a student right now. Clicking it and then assigning the marks. I have already given for English and now I'll be doing for maths. So let's say that the students have got in quiz out of 30 25, and then out of 70 65. I'm not allowed to enter the total because the LMS would be doing it. So I'm just required to save the changes, scrolling it down and then saving it, continuing it. This is how the marks have been added. Now if I want to see how it will appear to the students, I am required to click onto this user report option. Clicking onto user report option, here I'll be selecting the name of the student and viewing it as the user. User, as I've already told, is the student, so viewing it as user. This is how you can see the calculated weight, the grade, range, percentage, feedback, the total marks, the marks secured by the student, and the percentage in those activities. We have done it for maths, so let's have a look at it. So the student has got out of 30 25, out of 70 65, and then out of 100 total 90 marks. I can see the percentage option here as well, and on the below is the course total. This is how the student will see. There is one more thing mandatory from Valim, that is the monthly PTM, and all the teachers are requested to conduct the monthly PTM. For that we'll be adding again one more category, and going back to the setup and the grade item, name it PTM remarks. PTMs are the mandatory things, so all the teachers are requested to conduct it once a month and then add the remarks here on the portal in this category. Naming it PTM remarks and then changing the grade type, as of course there is no grade or value to it, but this is basically the text. So clicking onto the text, now I'm no more allowed to enter the grade, as the text of course doesn't have any grade. Scrolling it down and then adding it to the parent category, that is mathematics. If you don't want to add it into the parent category, that's perfectly fine. Saving the changes, and this is how the category has been generated. Now I'll be adding the remarks of the particular student in this category, or the discussion that the tutor had with the parents. Clicking onto the single view and then selecting the name of the student. Then there is this option of adding the remarks. The remarks can be as much lengthy as you want. Whatever detail you want to add, you can simply add it here, and it will be visible to the parents as well as the Valim administration. Adding it and then saving from the bottom. I have written a brief remark, but you can add as many details you want. Continuing it and then again viewing it as a student. Selecting the name of the student and then this is how it will appear to the student. I hope so. This video is helpful for you all. And if you have any confusion, any query, you may contact the Valim administration. Thank you.